In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cohort in Mixpanel. To get started, open Mixpanel and make sure you're inside the correct project or workspace where you want this cohort to live. A cohort is essentially a saved group of users that match specific conditions, and it can be very useful when you want to analyze behavior, compare audiences, or build more targeted reports later on. Once you're in Mixpanel, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the main navigation menu is located. From there, click on Data. This section is where Mixpanel organizes the definitions and structures behind your analytics setup. So if you're creating something reusable like a cohort, this is the right place to begin. After opening Data, click on Lexicon. The lexicon area is where saved definitions are managed, including events, properties, and cohorts. It helps keep your analytics organized and makes it easier to standardize the audiences and terms your team uses. Inside Lexicon, find the area labeled Saved Definitions. Under that section, click on Cohorts. This will take you to the list of cohorts that already exist in your project, if there are any. It's also where you can create a new one from scratch. Now click Create Cohort. This opens the cohort builder where you'll define the audience you want to save. The first thing you can do here is give your cohort a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. A good name will help you and your team quickly understand who is included in that group without needing to open it again. Next, add your filters. This is the part where you define which users should be included in the cohort. Depending on your goal, these filters can be based on user properties, behaviors, or other available conditions in Mixpanel. Take a moment to review the filters carefully before saving, because the accuracy of your cohort depends on these rules. Once everything looks right, click Create Cohort. Mixpanel will then save that audience for you, and it can be used in other parts of your analysis going forward. And that's it. That's how you create a cohort in Mixpanel. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check the cohort name and filter logic before clicking Create, especially if multiple people on your team will be using it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.